How to log into Walmart MasterCard account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in a Walmart MasterCard login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, Walmart Rewards MasterCard. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top left corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. Click on the option of sign in or create account. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is type in the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email address. After you type in, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forgot password to recover it. After you provide the details, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Walmart MasterCard account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.